My eyes are watering. I'm so excited that my eyes are watering. They're watering. Tears? Can you see them? Can you see my tears? Do you see it? I'm crying. I'm so happy. School is out. It is done. It is, oh, I'm gesturing with this hand over here and you can't see it. Maybe I'll just make a whole video where you see my hand gestures. Yes, I'm laying on the floor. Who doesn't lay on the floor? Don't tell me you've never laid on the floor. Because you have. You've lied. Books lay. People lie. My camera looks weird. I don't know why, but I look like I'm red. And I'm not red. I'm white. I'm Caucasian. Straight up. Straight. Junior year is over. And senior year is beginning. And it shall be good. And I haven't made a video in like a month, and I'm sorry. Nothing cool has happened. I got a new car. You want to see it? Do you want to see my new car? Okay. Stairs? Yeah? Should we do the stairs? We're doing the stairs. Doing the stairs. Okay. This is my house. This is my porch. That's my car. That's all you get. That's my dog. He eats peanut butter. And these are stairs. Stairs! That's my new phone. I have a new phone. This is my new phone. It does this. Does your phone do that? Nope. I have Sprint, so if you have Sprint, you can call me for free, or you can text me, because I have unlimited texting. If you can guess my phone number, which makes you really smart. If you can guess people's phone numbers, you probably just shouldn't be sitting on YouTube right now. You should go be like taking the Rain Man's place or something, because you can just guess people's phone numbers. I'm a lobster. Why? I don't know, my camera's on some weird crazy person setting where it's like lobster mode. I don't know. I'm grounded. Grounded is cool. I'm grounded because I don't go to school ever, which is cool, you know. When school is out. And that's Big Gyllenhaal on my bedroom door. And my camera, dude, I messed with it and something happened. Is it like the lighting? Whatever. Whatever, you know, whatever. Do you want to hear my cool ringtone? I'm lacking inspiration. Somebody asked me why I wasn't making videos, and I told them it was because I'm lacking inspiration. Let's do a contest. Let's have a contest. If you respond to this video with your ringtone, I want to hear your ringtone and tell me why it's cool and sing along with it, hum, do this, you know, whatever. And I'm going to pick the winner based on who I think the winner should be. And the winner gets whatever they want. I have a feeling nobody's going to do this. Whatever they want, as in you tell me to do anything and I'll make a video doing whatever you say. Anything. Anything. But these are my rules. I don't take my clothes off. I don't eat nasty things like poop or meat. I don't eat meat. No. And I don't show you my address. I don't tell you my phone number or my license plate or my feet. I'm not showing you my feet. I'm just kidding. I'll show you my feet. Those are my rolls. There were like 5 of them.